everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be filming my what I got for my 18th birthday video. These videos are by far the most requested videos that I get ever, like my what I got for my birthday videos and my what I got for Christmas videos always are the ones that are requested so much. Birthday has just been, it is the 15th of August and I turned 18. I was sadly in lockdown for my birthday, so I did have still a really good day, and I absolutely love every one of my presents that I got. So in no way, shape or form is this me trying to brag. I didn't get up to anything super intense or crazy. I vlogged a little bit of my birthday, which I will insert at the end of this video. Without further ado, let's get into what I got for my birthday. So I think we should start off with what I got from my mum. My mum bought me some clothes, so I'm gonna start off with them first. So the first thing that she got me was this Zepp activewear set. So it is in brown, just looks like this. So it's like the crop top and it just says Zepp on the back. And then the matching shorts, which just look like this. I'm obsessed with the color brown right now. Brown just looks so nice on blondes, I feel. So I love that color and I'm so excited to wear that. The next thing she got me is also, I guess, brown. It's like a different kind of brown. And it is another set, but these are just sweatshorts. Just like a more muted brown, I guess you could call it. And it just comes with a crew neck in the same color. And it just says Nude Lucy on it. This is so cute. I loved that I got this because it's something that I wouldn't buy myself, and what I mean by that is I love it, but I never buy myself like casual stuff or like lounge stuff. I always buy myself stuff to go out, and we're in lockdown and I don't really go out that much. So I always end up like only wearing outfits like once and never having any just casual clothes. Okay, the next thing that my mum got me is probably one of my favorite things that she got me because I had wanted this jacket for so long and it was out of stock for so long and it finally was in stock. So it is this bomber jacket. This is the back. That's what it looks like. It is literally sick. I am obsessed with this. I am so excited to style it. As soon as I saw this jacket, I wanted it so bad. So I was so happy when she got me this. I haven't like touched any of my birthday presents because I wanted to film this video for you guys. So yeah, I'm really excited to be able to wear the stuff that I got. Okay, so the next thing my mum got me were these two candles. So as you guys can see, it's just a little bum candle and I'm obsessed. I wanted a bum candle so bad for my room just as like decor and stuff. I love like the body candles right now, so she got me that big one in like the white, and then she actually accidentally ordered this one, just like the little smaller version, but they're both super duper cute. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. So my mum also got me that, and then my mum also got me a gold class voucher. If you guys don't know this about me, I feel like I say this in every video, my favorite thing in the whole wide world are movies and food. So the drive-ins are like my favorite place in the world, and then probably after that it would be gold class. Like anything to do with the movies and food, which is literally what gold class is my favorite thing ever. So she got me a voucher to do that. Like even just like the normal movies, I love going. Then the next thing that she got me was this perfume. All of the Beyonce perfumes are like my favorite ones. I'm like a 5-year-old when it comes to perfumes, and I like really sickly sweet perfumes, and I also hate expensive perfumes. And what I mean by I hate them, like I just would never want someone to spend the money on buying me an expensive perfume just because that's not my thing. Like I just don't appreciate an expensive perfume because to me, like I'm so happy with like really cheap ones. So I said that to my mum like ages ago randomly, and so she was like, okay, well I'm just gonna get you this perfume, which is from the chemist. Okay, so then the next thing that my mum got me were these gold hoop earrings. I wear all gold jewelry and I've currently got earrings in, but a few of them aren't 9 karat gold, so I can't wear them in the shower. So mum got me these ones so I don't have to take them off. She also got me just this little photo album, and it was so cute. And she basically put a photo of my birthdays from every year. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but I think that was super special, and I love that. So yeah, that is everything my mum got me, and I just realized this whole time I've been saying my mum, but it was my mum and my dad as well. Okay, next up, who are we gonna do? I think we'll do my sisters next. So this hamper from my sister. So I just have it there. I haven't actually touched it yet because I wanted to save it for this video, but it came in this cute little thing. It just says yayyyyy rosé, and this is what it looks like. So but it basically has heaps of cool stuff in it. So it has some rosé, it has some like lollies in it, it also has like cookies, bath salt blends, which I'm so excited about, a rocky road, heaps of like good stuff in there, and I'm so excited to try because I've actually like never tried any of these brands before, and I've never had this rosé before, and it literally says on it that it is the 2021 gold medal winner. My sister also said to me that with that company, wait, let me see what she said because I don't want to get it wrong. For every banker, they donate a meal to a person in need. So yeah, so I'm pretty sure for every person that purchases one of those, they donate a meal to someone in need, which is like the best thing she could have told me because it's like a present for me, but someone else is also getting a meal out of that, and which literally makes me so happy. So yeah, that was from my sister Beth. She is also getting me a flight voucher because after high school, basically I just want to travel if COVID allows, but I just know that I'm going to use that heaps, and like this year I did not know what I wanted for my birthday, so I kind of just said to her, you know, get me a travel voucher, I'll use that 100%. So my sister Jackie actually got me first these beautiful flowers over here. I'll just like swing them around. So yeah, these beautiful flowers, they're pink, they're gorgeous. And then she got me this little basket. So I will insert a photo because the balloons have deflated, but basically this was all helium. But basically in here they just have some of my favorite things. So we have my favorite pancake mix, my literal new favorite obsession. These are so good. If you haven't tried these, highly recommend. Also, I tried on my birthday the new caramel flakes. They're incredible. Highly recommend. Fiber One birthday cake flavor, Carmen's birthday cake flavor, my favorite maple syrup for the pancakes, this vanilla cupcake mix, which I've never tried but I've wanted to try, and the TV snacks. And I read this little sign on, on the sign, and it said, this basket may be full of yummy goodies, but rest assured they won't be the only yummy goodies experiencing a basket ride. You plus me hot air balloon ride. So that is what the little tag looks like. My sister is paying for me and her to go on a hot air balloon. I have wanted to go on a hot air balloon for so freaking long. I've been trying to convince Carly, but she's like afraid of heights, so I don't really know how that was, like why I was even considering that. But basically she booked me a hot air balloon, so that's going to be so fun, and I will definitely vlog that when we do that. She also is paying for our matching tattoo, which I've been trying to book for so long, but because of the lockdowns it's really hard to book tattoos in. But yeah, we're also getting a matching tattoo, so I'll also vlog that when that happens. But my sister Jess actually got me these beautiful flowers over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't want to go and pick them up just because they're kind of heavy. Do I go pick them up? I'll do it. Okay, these are the flowers. They are stunning. Oh my god, like the blue in this is beautiful. So yeah, and this was so sweet because my sister is currently in Newcastle because she just moved there. So they're in lockdown, we're in lockdown. I don't think I'm going to be seeing her very soon. She also got delivered these 4 Parisian donuts. I'll insert a photo. They were to die for. They were like custard and Nutella filled on the inside, and they were amazing. My dad was literally in love with them. I could not finish them myself, so he was super happy to help me finish them, and he said it was the best donuts he's ever had. So moving on to Carly got me. She got me this box basically. So in the box there was a Visa gift card, which is so cute. When she told me why she put this in, I was like, you are actually the cutest person ever. You didn't have to do that. But I feel like this is actually a really good present because it's basically just like $100. Perfect. Also in here were some bullets, which I was literally craving bullets so bad, and I haven't been able to eat these because I wanted to save it for this video, so I'm so excited. And then she put in some photos. I'll show you guys. Don't mind my nails. Actually, that's disgusting. I don't even want to show you guys. So that one and that one. Ooh. And then last one. Carly booked for us to go to Peninsula Hot Springs, and we're going glamping, which sounds amazing, in like those cool tents. I'm so excited to do that. I think that will literally be the coolest thing ever. So if you don't know what Peninsula Hot Springs are, or if you're not from Victoria, it's like outdoor like pools, like warm pools. I'm not explaining this whatsoever. And we're going glamping, so in those cool tents. This is what Carly got me. She also got me a chocolate covered strawberry bouquet, which I'll insert a photo. I can't actually show you guys because I obviously have already eaten that. Chocolate covered strawberries are probably my favorite thing ever. Like literally looking at them gives me like fanny flutters. Am I allowed to say that on here? Gives me like butterflies. Let's go with butterflies. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to show you guys is also in a big box, and this is from Courtney. So in here, I want to show you guys, is just a box of like my favorite snacks ever. So of course, if you guys know me, we have 2 blocks of caramel, a family size packet of Mars pods, Clinkers, obviously, 2 packets, there's another one in there, of raspberry bullets. So I am stocked for life. Not really, I'm literally stocked for like one day. I'll eat that so fast. 2 cruisers, these are the mixed berry no sugar. Krispy Kreme TV stacks, these are the original glazed ones. And then a brownie mix. She also got me salt and vinegar chips because she knows they're my favorite and I feel like we eat them together all the time. But I may or may not have already eaten them. Yeah, and then she also got me a Princess Polly gift voucher. Next up, what my friends got me. So this bag. So the first thing I want to show you guys is the card, because literally look how big it is, and then look at that little writing on the side. I don't know why, but I just thought that was really funny. So first thing they got me was this jumper. I actually asked for this. I really wanted it. And then the next thing that they got me, it's kind of funny. Actually, it is super funny. Where did it go? The next thing that they got me was this. I am not going to go into detail because if you don't know what this is, then you probably shouldn't have me tell you what it is. But, oh, I was going to open it. I'm not going to open it. I also got from Carly a birthday sash. So on it says, "It's my birthday, bitch." And then I got one from my mum as well. It says, "It's my fucking birthday." So yeah, that is all the presents I have to show you guys for my birthday. I am so grateful for every single person that gave me a present. Yeah, I filmed a little bit on my birthday, not a lot, but I will insert that now. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, bye guys. It is my birthday vlog that you guys have clicked onto, which is crazy. Basically, COVID has happened and I'm in lockdown for my birthday yet again. My birthday is tomorrow. I turn 18, which is really exciting. I feel like I have been 18 for like 5 years. I've always been really mature. Don't know why I'm using my arms. And I also have always looked older than I am. My license did get cancelled, but that's okay. We're gonna adapt. We're gonna move on. I'm about to go to sleep. Tomorrow I will wake up and be 18. Good morning, everyone. It is the 15th of August, 2003. Oh no. Ah! Come in.
I was gonna start bloody making noise. Come on.
Sorry.
It's my birthday! Happy birthday!
I love you. I'm excited. Yesterday, I was thinking of all.
Come on, let's wish your
birthday.
birthday.
Rusty, you know you're not allowed in here. So yesterday, I was telling Mum all the things that I can do now that I'm 18. So I said I can get married, I can all these things, and then she tells me I can also go to war.
Not that you're going, but
I think I'll pass on going to war.
Yeah.
Look, guys, what Mum did. This is the cutest thing in the world. Oh, the cookies. Oh, I love you so much. Can I start opening presents? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, gold class! I love gold class. Oh, thanks, Mum.
It's alright. Don't cry.
Don't cry. Mum's crying.
Oh.
Do you know that? I really wanted this. Oh, it's my bum candle.
Your eyes first for 1 second.
Not believe you are finally 18 and the day has come. Happy birthday, beautiful, and love you forever.
Happy birthday, kids. Oh, you're having a cracking day. Happy birthday, my little Catherine. 18, oh my god, where have those years gone? I literally remember one birthday we had. Never will forget that, because at the end, birthday, Katie. Have a good day. I hope you get spoiled. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Katie. The most kind, beautiful younger sister I have.
I just got that. Haha.
Happy birthday, Katie. We love you. Happy birthday, Katie. Have a great day and hopefully we'll see you soon. Happy 18th birthday, Katie. Happy 18th birthday, Katie. Cannot wait to celebrate with you after lockdown. All the best for your birthday. We love you. Love you lots. Happy 18th birthday, Katie.